What's up, YouTube? Got a couple of packages here for the 95 Powerstroke. We've got our new glow plugs, wiring harnesses, valve covers, Ford Motorcraft OEM glow plugs. I think I paid less than $200 for that stuff. I got it from diesel truck parts. And in the big box here, we have the new headlights for that truck. Other headlights were pretty abused, broken tabs, all that fun stuff. They're like the Anzos, but they're not Anzos. So stay tuned. Probably get these put on maybe this weekend. Got to get some headlight clips for them. And more parts are on the way. Got injectors coming yet. Possibly new taillights. See what we get done. Stay tuned. If you like what we're doing, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Lots of big plans coming.